Your TVs make a great addition to any room when you want to watch a game or movie. But what about the rest of the day? Who wants a lifeless blob on the wall? SplashTiles can bring your TVs to life. Beautify your home with customizable photos and art, completely network controlled so you never have to mess with files or SD cards. Keep your family in sync with mini calendar options, task lists, and shopping lists. Watch your security cameras or traffic cameras. You can even trigger them to display as PIP over the show you are watching. Start your morning right with current news, stocks, weather, game scores, traffic, and much more. Everything you need with your cup of coffee. SplashTiles are easy to build. Our web-based drag-and-drop editor allows you to build your screens. You can have unlimited screens and up to 5 devices per subscription. SplashTiles is easy to use. Our script builder allows you to automatically schedule what you want to show. It can even turn on/off your TVs. Alexa, set the screen to aquarium on the theater TV. Voice control is built in. Alexa, set the screen to off on the theater TV. Many more control options are available. SplashTiles is affordable. It often does not need any dedicated hardware. If it does, then a simple Fire Stick is all you need to add to your display. Annual pricing is only $75 per year for every 5 devices. Monthly and lifetime billing is also available. SplashTiles is upgradable. What if you decide you need live video as well? SplashTiles is easy to upgrade to our NetPlay video distribution system. Take charge of your TVs today. Have you been looking for the right digital signage solution for your business? There are many confusing and expensive solutions on the market. You will find SplashTiles is the best fit for you. It is easy to use and affordable. SplashTiles is a new and innovative digital signage solution. It is network-based, cloud-managed platform which offers the best variety of content, easy setup, control, and scheduling, all at a very reasonable price. Your SplashTiles digital signage system is centrally managed by our secure cloud server. Configure and control your entire system from anywhere in the world. All your display devices connect to our server via a standard wired or Wi-Fi internet connection. Your system will easily scale from a single device to hundreds of devices. SplashTiles is also easy to install. No network shares or storage needed, and no complicated network configuration. SplashTiles has nearly unlimited variety in content for your displays. Attractive and flexible calendars, events, and schedules keep your meetings on track. Slideshows and shared documents for informational displays, IP cameras for traffic or security. News, weather, basically any data source is easily added. SplashTiles screens are designed using our web-based drag-and-drop editor. You can create as many screens as you like. All your displays can be managed online. Scripting and scheduling is quick and easy. Real-time remote control is also available. There are plenty of options for third-party control. SplashTiles often does not need any dedicated hardware. If it does, then a simple Fire Stick is all you need to add to your display. Annual pricing is $75 per year for every 5 devices. Monthly and lifetime billing is also available. What if you decide you need live video as well? SplashTiles is easy to upgrade to our NetPlay video distribution system. Give your business the boost it needs. SplashTiles by VideoStorm can be your solution for digital signage. Call us today for help planning your commercial system.